New from Unimig, this is the Razor 200 Pulse MIG, TIG and stick welder. This unit features a 5-inch LCD touchscreen so you can get yourself quickly set up and welding. It's as simple as selecting your metal, your wire size, what gas you're using, and any other fine tuning you require, and you're off. It's all very intuitive, and if you get lost, there's a handy setup guide inside the case. When MIG welding, it features both single and double pulse welding, which means less heat and less mess, but not compromising on penetration. It's also got hot start and crater fill functions which you can toggle on or off, switch them on for a better start and finish to your weld. You'll also notice this machine features 4 rollers, which gives you a nice smooth wire feed. There's a work light inside the case when you have to switch out the wire so you can see what you're doing, and there's a couple of spare rollers on board as well. The high frequency DC TIG mode is all fully adjustable as well. Some of those adjustments include pulse, pre and post flow, and up and down slopes. When in stick mode, you've got a nice stable arc thanks to the arc force function. There's also the power limit function to keep your amperage constant and stops the voltage from exceeding the set value. So it's got boatloads of application. It's IP23S rated, and everything you need to get started welding is in the box, including regulator, the digital MIG torch, aluminium wire, and a torch consumable kit. So head over to our website, sydneytools.com.au for the full specs on this new unit from Unimig, or you can drop into your local Sydney Tools store and talk to our team. If you've got any questions, you can always hit me up in the comment section down below. And until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.